Now, let us measure liquid in terms of volume. In this blue box, there is about 3/4 of water. If I have to know the quantity of the water, let me pour this water into this container. It has come up to 100 ml. There is more left and I will pour it fully. Now, the blue box is empty. What is the quantity of water? There is 200 ml of water. 200 ml is standard measure of volume. That is what we say. We use the unit ml, that is milliliter, to measure it. Just as we did addition and subtraction of weights, we can use this vessel to put liquid in it and introduce the children to addition and subtraction of volume in an enjoyable way.